Hi, here's your Saxon lesson 97 for today. All right, let's talk about our affix cards and sight word cards. We're going to go ahead and review affix cards and sight word cards. We're not doing them all, just the affix and sight word. Affix cards are the suffix cards. Suffix is the end part of a word, right? And it changes the meaning of the word sometimes. All right, you ready? Go ahead. Suffix
S, suffix left, suffix ing, suffix a, suffix y, suffix suffix s, suffix left, suffix ling, suffix is, suffix ish, suffix a, suffix full, suffix
ness. Very good. All right, let's do our sight word cards. You ready?
Animal, bread,
What is it?
country, nature, island, listen, one, strange, stranger, food, brought, father, clock, black, mountain, fox, walk.
Excellent. All right, now take out your spelling high frequency word practice paper 97. It's okay. We're gonna practice spelling sounds that we've already learned. Next to number 1, I want you to write wh. What is that? W-H. Number 2, I consonant, E, comma, I final, Y. Number 3, or. What is that? O-R. Number 4, ow. That's diphthong, O-U, final, O-W. Number 4, D. That's D, final, D, comma, E-D. Number 6, A consonant, E, comma, A, final, A-Y. Number 7, O consonant, E, comma, O, final, O-W. O consonant, E, comma, O, final, O-W. Excuse me. Number 8, ng, N-G. Number 9, qua. What is that? Q-U. So your paper should look like mine. If you need some time to write this down, you can pause the video now. All right, now let's practice spelling some words. Next to number 10, I want you to write the word draw. Some of you guys like to draw. Draw. Okay, let's see. JC, how do you spell draw? D-R-A-W. Excellent. Next to number 11, ridge. Ridge. Just try your best. Ridge. Christian, ridge. Good job. R-I-D-G-E. Excellent. Number 12, donate. Donate. He's not here. She's not here. Amaria, donate. Good job. D-O-N-A-T-E. Sight words. Number 13, thought. I thought I knew the answer. Thought. Rena, spell thought. Mm-hmm. 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 G. Thought. Thought. Okay. 14. Daughter. Daughter. Bernaya, daughter. No. Haney. Excellent. D-A-U. D-A-U-G-H. D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. Daughter. Number 15. Laugh. Don't laugh at me. Laugh. Leah, laugh. Excellent. L-A-U-G-H. Okay, write out loud. Watch me first, then do it with me, then write it down. You ready? Let me fix this camera. There we go. What time should we leave for the party? Question mark. Let's do it again. Do it with me. Mirror. What time should we leave for the party? What does this mean? Question mark. That means there's a question mark at the end. Go ahead and write the sentence down. What time should we leave for the party? Pause the video now. Okay, this is how your paper should look. If you need some time to write this down, you can pause the video now. Okay, so now that we're done with that, let's move on. Let's look at this word. What is this word, class?
Lobster.
What should I do before coding this word? Look for a final stable syllable or a suffix. Any obvious coding, and then find the vowels. Does this word contain a final stable syllable or a suffix? No. Does it have any other obvious codings? What is it? Good. Combination ER. How many vowels does this word have? Two. Very good. It has 2 vowels. What do we do when we have more than one vowel in a word? Very good. Find the vowel pattern and divide the vowels into syllables. What if any of the vowels are part of a digraph? We label them as one vowel sound. Does this word contain any digraphs? No. Let's write a V under each vowel. We have the vowel O and the vowel ER, or E. Very good. Look between these for consonants. Is this a consonant?
Yes.
Is this a consonant?
Yes.
Is this a consonant?
Yes.
So this is a VCCCV pattern. How many times did I say C? 3. It's a VCCCV pattern. That's right. This is a new pattern. Words that follow this vowel pattern are easy to read because you just have to divide between the 2 consonants. The difficult part is deciding which 2 consonants to divide between. Many times the word will contain some letter clusters you'll recognize, like digraphs or blends, and you'll know to keep those letters together in the same syllable. We've already determined that this word does not contain any digraphs, but does it contain any blends? Yes, ST is a blend. That's right. The word contains ST. We won't want to divide between the 2 letters of this blend, so we'll divide before the blend. So the division line goes before the ST, so it goes here between the B and the S. Don't worry too much about finding the right place to divide, though, because the word will still be pronounced roughly the same no matter which consonants you divide between. How do we code the O here? Long or short? Short. So we code it with a bree. Very good, because it's a short vowel sound. The only thing left to do is to decide where the accent goes. There is no rule for determining which syllable is accented in the VCCCV pattern sound, like it should be accented. Or you can always look up the word in a dictionary to find out for certain where the accent belongs. But in this word, it belongs in the first, on this first side, lobster. We can tell that the accent is on the first syllable because the lobster doesn't sound, if I put it here, then it's going to be lobster. Do I say, ooh, let's have lobster? Or is the b louder? Do I say, let's have lobster? It's a lobster. Okay, anyway. Has anyone ever heard of a lobster?
I have.
Amaria, what's a lobster? Good. It's a seafood. It kind of tastes like crab, and it's red and it has 2 claws and the tail is so chewy and delicious. All right. Anyway, let's look at another word. We have this word.
Here it is.
Class.
Yes.
What's that word?
Athlete.
Athlete. Okay. How do we code this word? What do we do with it? Abbrev. TH. E consonant E. And what is the VCV pattern? V, C, C, V. Very good. And the accent goes the division line goes right there. Now, is it athlete or is it athlete? It's athlete. The accent goes in the first syllable. That sounds funny. Okay, dividing a VCCV word is harder than reading one. However, I am more concerned that you can read a word than if you can divide it exactly right. Remember, if you are not sure where to divide a word, you can always look it up in the dictionary. I also have a new syllable division card to help remind you how these words should be divided. So we have, this is our new vowel card. It says VCCV, and it tells you like the word explain. The division line goes after the first C, and in the word pumpkin, the division line goes after the second C. And they're both VCCCV words. All right, so let's see. Get out your spelling high frequency word box, paper. Find the box labeled new sounds and words. Now let's spell some words that have our new spelling pattern. Put your finger next to number 1, and I want you to write down the word 100. 100.
In words?
What do you think? Yes, in words. 100.
Okay, that's easy for me.
All right, class.
Yes, ma'am.
We're going to spell that one together. 100.
H-U-N-D-R-E-D.
Very good. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. Number 2, include. Please include your friends. Include. Include. Amaria. Good job. I-N-C-L-U-D-E. Include. Number 3, children. Children. Christian, children. Good. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. All right, class, let's read the high frequency words together, and then you're going to write them one time. Let's read. To, today, whose, laugh, letter, start, strange, bought. Then you're going to write each word one time next to it. And then you're going to write 2 sentences using 1 word in each sentence. Make sure you use a capital letter in the beginning, punctuation mark in the end, and you highlight the word you used. When you are done, you're going to do the back. You're going to find the VCC-CV patterns, code the words. Here, this is a picture of a body. So this is a body, okay? And then the back, sometimes the pictures can be tricky, so I'll go over that with you. The back, the first picture is a picture of an exit, and the second picture is a picture of a wasp, okay? And that's it, guys. That's all we're doing today for Saxon. So just complete that, and you are done. I will see you guys later. Bye.